My contractor referred a public adjuster to me. Should I hire him? Is he really going to have my best interest at heart? Hey, this is Mendy with my insurance claim expert here to answer all your insurance related questions. So I love that question, get it all the time, and there's two parts of that I'd like to touch on. The first part of is, does he have your best interest in mind? As a public adjuster, I am licensed to hire you, the homeowner. I must be hired by you, the homeowner, not by the contractor, not by the roofer, or not by the plumber. That means I am ethically required to have your best interest in mind. Now, understand, I will ask you when you do hire us, I know you were referred to us by ABC Contracting. Do you want me to keep them updated and in the loop or not? If you tell me keep them updated because this is your contractor and you want them aware of what's going on, absolutely. We're going to let them know what's going on. On the other hand, you may tell me, no, Mendy, I appreciate that they referred you to me, but I really don't want them knowing what's going on. My obligation is to you. I will not be keeping them updated. Now, the other aspect is, should you hire this public adjuster? And I will tell you what I tell my clients when I refer them plumbers, contractors, roofers, no matter what it may be. I always tell them, do your research. And even if before you hire me as a public adjuster, do your research. Don't just take our word for it. We can only tell you what our clients in the past have said. Search them online, see what Google reviews they have to say, see what Facebook says about them. That's how you're going to do your research and make sure that they're going to be around to make sure you're taken care of properly. Hope this information has been helpful. As always, email us any questions at pantherpa.com. Have a great day. Share, like, tell the world about us.